is superolateral surface. Look, here's the central sulci. Then we had pre-central sulci and post-central sulci. So it divides pre-central gyri and post-central gyri. Motor cortex, sensory, primary sensory cortex. Front of central group, in generally, we had the motor cortex. Frontal lobe divided by the central cortex anteriorly. Central groove separates the frontal lobe. Here we had superior and inferior frontal sulci. Superior, medial, inferior frontal gyruses. Parietal lobe. Here's the border between occipital lobe, parietal and temporal. I just take the posterior aspect of temporal lobe and then continuate it superiorly. So in parietal lobe we had intraparietal groove with superior and inferior parietal gyruses. Occipital lobe, we had occipital grooves, occipital gyruses. Temporal lobe, that is a lateral fissure. Superior, temporal gyri, medial, inferior. Superior, inferior, temporal sulci. That is a marginal gyri and angular gyri. On that surface, callosal body sulci. Continue to the parahippocampal sulci. Cinguli sulci and in marginal sulci. Cinguli gyri. Superior frontal gyri, medial frontal gyri. Quadrant shaped, precuneus. Parieto-occipital sulci and marginal with cinguli separate that part. Triangular shaped, cuneus. Parieto-occipital sulci, calcareous sulci. And that is inferior surface. Inferior surface located here. Collateral groove sulci, occipitotemporal sulci. That is a parahippocampal groove uncus. Let's turn uncus, here uncus. Then medial and lateral occipitotemporal gyri. Collateral, occipitotemporal. Parahippocampal uncus. Medial occipitotemporal gyri, lateral occipitotemporal gyri. Actually, the upper part of the collateral groove called the renal groove. Is that? Orbital part, sorry. The rectus sulci, rectus gyri. Orbital sulci, orbital gyri. That's it. The gyrus.
Okay.
Ginu is part of callosal body.